Well, hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today I am in my living room. I've been working all week in this space, so I'm going to share with you my living room decorated for Christmas 2024. Now, my theme for this year are angels, and this space is dedicated to my mom, which is an angel to me. She's no longer with me here on earth, and her colors, her favorite colors were black, white, gold. So this is dedicated to her. This is my entryway. The picture that you saw is a picture that I already had. I purchased from Hobby Lobby on clearance. And I think the majority of these items I had on hand already, with the exception of the 2 gold trees that you see. I think I purchased 3 or 4 of those this year from Marshall's. They're so pretty. The wording "Believe" I've had on hand for a couple of years from Michael's. Don't know if they have that still, because sometimes they repeat. So you may find that in Michael's. But I love this entryway. As you step into my living room, this is another console that I have that I just decorated simply with candles, a ginger jar, and a decorative box. The ginger jar I just recently hauled from Temu. These candles, the gold and white stripe, they came from Michael's. And I need to go get another set because they are so pretty. Now, this is the inspiration for this space, this beautiful wall art that I picked up mid-year from Burlington. When I saw it, I knew I had to have it. It reminded me so much of my mom and the colors that she loved. She also collected angels, and in her living room, she had angel figurines everywhere, beautiful ones. So this wall art is named TJ after her. Now, I kept the pillows on my sectional very simple. All of these pillow covers came from Amazon, and I will have it linked in my description box below. I actually ordered another set of the angel wing pillow covers because I wanted to make sure that, I loved the pillow covers, and I do. So I ordered another set. I'm waiting on them to arrive. And I may add some gold pillow covers. I'm trying to keep it very simple on the sectional, but they are so pretty. This curved sectional also came from Amazon. At the end of this curved sectional, there is a chase, and I always love to place a throw of some kind on it. I also have this C table that I picked up from Ross this year. They have some beautiful tables, and I kept it simple by placing a candle and this angel bowl that I already had. And I may place some candy in there, who knows. Moving down to my coffee table, which is also a Ross find. I kept it simple here as well, placing a vase, gold and black, from Burlington. The florals in the vase are from Kirkland's. The nativity scene I picked up last year from Home Goods. I absolutely love it. And the decorative boxes is a new buy from Amazon. I also have these boxes, the same boxes in black. I absolutely love these decorative boxes. This week, this staircase garland has changed 3 times, and I'm still not pleased with it, but I am so over it. Kept it simple. And my tree, my Christmas tree, I am loving it in the golds and the whites and the black. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love it. Now, the main components that make up this tree are these beautiful white poinsettias trimmed in gold from Hobby Lobby. This beautiful ribbon, and the details on this ribbon is so beautiful, from Walmart. The gold and black ribbon, as well as the black ribbon, I already had on hand, and I think I picked those up from Ross one year. These black and white finials, they're made of glass. They came from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago, and I have them in several styles. And this beautiful large pick that you find on the floral side of Hobby Lobby, it's stunning. And I have like 6 of them in this tree, and fills this tree out beautifully. I also added this My Texas Home garland, as well with the berries to give it a different texture. And this tree itself is a King of Christmas tree, 9-foot slim. And to add to the entire tree, I just added gold, black, and white ornaments. And at the base, this tree skirt is a nativity tree skirt that I found in Ross last year. And the tree topper is 3 different type of long stem gold picks. They're so beautiful, so full, and makes a huge statement on the tree. Now I have a fireplace on the staircase wall. This fireplace, as well as the cabinet in my entryway, came from Her Nest. And I kept it simple over here. This is possibly going to change because I'm not satisfied with this either. But that's what you do. You put things out and stand back and look at it, and then you make adjustments. These vases, black and white, came from Home Goods. The decorative boxes are from Z Gallery. This is a nativity scene that I had already. The Chanel books, Home Goods, and the Jesus is the reason for the season sign I've had for many, many years. Now, in the little cubbies of this fireplace, I have that angel wing I already had, my Rose Forever roses in black, and this decorative box from Ross, and that completes the fireplace at this time. So this is all I have for you today in today's video, and this is what I've accomplished this week in my home, decorating my entryway as well as my living room, and I have much, much more coming your way. I would like to thank you so much for watching and for stopping by. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click that bell so you'll be notified of all uploads here at Kimberly Davis, A Blessed Home. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and I also have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.